So hello guys, welcome back to another one video. So in today's video we are going to discuss that how can you use US SIM card in India digitally. So basically the fact is that one website is there called as Magicjack. I can place the link in the description or you can check via Google. So it is actually a VoIP phone service, means voice over internet phone service, and it's an exciting website that allows you to use your own phone number, put it in their website, pay annual or monthly charges, and then you're good to go. You can connect with your friends, family members, and who are working class, they can connect with their clients at international level. This includes voicemail, call forwarding and call blocking and many more features. So let me tell you more about Magicjack. So these are affordable and reliable. Means you can get annual subscription at $60 per year, and also, but as we are now in India, I think it costs around $2.5 per minute as per international, if you take international calls, and you can keep your current phone number, which is hassle free. And the best part is that you can take that Magicjack number anywhere around the world, no issues with that, whether it is Iceland or New Zealand or Europe, anywhere around the globe. Magicjack is the best way where you can get connected to the family anytime, anywhere. And but slow down, but there is a big issue which many can solve. Magicjack requires a high speed internet connection to get you connected with your family or friends around the globe. Yeah, I was correct. It is around $2.5 per minute if you are calling from India. Now let me tell you the fact that how can you extract most of the Magicjack. If you are paying $60 means you can extract. So I have also written that over here. First of all, you can use it worldwide, but you need a high speed connection to connect with your friends or family members. And the simple task is that means how to use Magicjack, a question must arrive in your mind. So simply you can plug in with your computer, make the calls via your computer with the help of internet, high speed internet. So there is also an app called as Magic app. You can also download in iOS as well as Android. It's a free companion app if you take the subscription of Magicjack. So you can simply log in through your Magicjack account and convert your tablet into a phone. Yeah, this is how you can use most of the Magicjack. So as Magicjack is a voice over internet phone service, so let me tell you about VoIP mode. So basically VoIP is voice over internet protocol. So I have listed some of the points to talk about it. So as you know, voice over internet protocol has been popular since I think 7 or 8 years. So but many of you haven't even heard about it. So I would request you to watch this video till the end, or else it will blow above your head. So it is the system that takes analog audio signals. Means I am talking, the phone is taking the audio signal just like that, the same that is used for talking over phone, and converts them into digital data to transmit them over the internet. Or in short, I can tell that VoIP allows you or uses internet to make phone calls. As I told you, Magicjack uses high speed internet so that it can allow you to connect with your friends, family members all around the globe. So the question that might arise in your mind, I have also written over here: why is VoIP revolutionizing the phone industry? As VoIP means voice over internet protocol can make regular internet connection and give the consumer the ability to make free calls. And by also using the voice over internet protocol, the software, to place the internet phone calls, you bypass the phone company and its fields completely. This is a fact, don't tell anyone. So certain VoIP providers that have been launched several years ago, one of them I have talked about in the starting of the video, that is Magicjack, which I told you, and its prices and all that. And other major phone carriers have been developing their own VoIP calling plans across America. And you know that VoIP represents more than just a basic better mousetrap. It is a complete reinvention of the mousetrap. So let me tell you about another keyword which I have noted down. This is ATA, not that ATA, but analog telephone adapter. Sorry, not that ATA. So what is ATA? So it connects regular phone to the internet connection or computer to use the voice over internet protocol. The internet connection to computer to use voice over internet protocol. So it is a analog to digital converter. It receives the analog signal from the standard mobile phone in which we talk and translates it into digital data to transmit over the internet. And several also phone providers provides ATA bundled along with other services, international services. Process is quite simple, and you receive ATA, that is analog telephone adapter, from the provider, plug the phone cable into the device, and then you can make the voice over internet protocol phones via your phones. But some of the ATAs, that is analog telephone adapter, require an additional software to integrate with the configuration of the host computer. But however, the setups are quite straightforward, means plug and play types. I have also written some of the complex topics about Ethernet connections and all that. Let me tell it about, because I already have noted down all those. So let me tell you about IP phones. So these are, previously we used landline phones. Now also landline phones are there, but many of them have unsubscribed those landline phones, PSLN landline phones. So almost they're old-fashioned phones. Rather utilizing the RJ11 phone connections, IP phones are some special phones which use an RJ45 Ethernet connection. If you want to know about RJ45 Ethernet connection, then you need to go to Google, type RJ45 Ethernet connection, read that, pause this video, then come back. So IP phones are the phones which attach directly to the internet routers. Then phone comes with a software and hardware already installed to make such IP calls. Or in other words, I can also say that Wi-Fi phones let callers place VoIP calls from any of the hotspot, Jio hotspot, Airtel hotspot, any of the hotspots. So computer to computer connection, the most and the simplest, everyone must know about it. So it is one of the simplest way to place a voice over internet protocol phone call, and you can also make it long distance and international calls completely free of charge. Several companies also provide free or slightly inexpensive softwares to make the voice over internet protocol computer to computer phone calls. VoIP, voice over internet protocol, it works with fast internet connections either wirelessly or with DSL or with router cable. Other than regular internet service provider which is in your home, which we have subscribed, there is no other fee for computer to computer calls regardless of the distance it is there. So this was the small video or idea about how can you make international phone calls using a platform called as Magicjack. You can subscribe to it monthly or annually and use that to connect with your friends, family members and clients for official purposes. And it's quite simple. You can call with the help of your computer, just plug and play. So if you have watched this video till here, I would request you to press that subscribe button, which is, if in the phone it is over here, I think left, your right hand side, yes. Press the subscribe button, hit the like button, it's free. I'm not asking you to charge for it. Yeah, that's about it. And also do comment and share with your friends so that they also know about this platform Magicjack. So thank you, signing off.